this Ohm's law is having some limitations. The first limitation is it is not applicable. It is not applicable. It is not applicable to non-ohmic devices. Non-ohmic devices. What are these non-ohmic devices? Okay, the devices which do not obey the Ohm's law. Such devices we call them as non-ohmic devices. Say for example, the semiconductors or the thermistors or the discharge tubes. These are called as non-ohmic devices. Right. The second one limitation is it is not applicable. Not applicable at very low temperatures. Low temperatures or at very high temperatures or at very high temperatures. At very low temperatures or at very high temperatures, the Ohm's law is not applicable. Okay. The third limitation is the relation between V, that is the potential difference and the current, is not unique. In some devices. Then in that case the Ohm's law fails. Okay, this is the third limitation. And the fourth limitation is the relation between V and I. Depends on the sign of voltage. Sign of voltage. Say for example, in case of the diodes, it depends on the sign of the voltage in some devices. In such cases, again the Ohm's law fails to obey. Okay, so these are the limitations of the Ohm's law. First one is it is not applicable to non-ohmic devices. It is not applicable at very low temperature or very high temperature. The relation between V and I is not unique in all devices. In some devices, okay, the relation between V and I depends on the sign of the voltage. Sign of the voltage means in case of the diodes. In that devices, the Ohm's law is not valid. Okay. Next, we are going to study about the factors on which the resistance of the conductor depends. The first factor is it depends on the nature of material of the conductor. Nature of material of conductor. Nature of material of the conductor. Then it depends on the length of the conductor. Length of conductor. Okay. Then it depends on the area of cross section. Area of cross section of the conductor. Area of cross section of the conductor. And it also depends on the temperature of the conductor. Temperature of the conductor. These are the four factors on which the resistance of the conductor depends. That is, resistance depends on the length and area of cross section. We can replace this proportionality sign by some constant, say rho. Rho into L divided by A, where L is nothing but the specific resistance. Or it is also called as electrical resistivity. Electrical resistivity, it is defined as the resistance of conductor. The resistance the resistance of conductor, resistance of a conductor having, resistance of a conductor having unit length, unit length and unit area of cross section, area of cross section, that is called as electrical resistivity. Okay, electrical resistivity is defined as, the resistance of a conductor having unit length and unit area of cross section. The SI unit of this electrical resistivity is ohm meter. SI unit is ohm meter. SI unit is ohm meter. Okay. So the order of resistivity for conductors, what is the order of resistivity for the conductors? It is about 10 raised to minus 2 to 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Okay. Coming to the semiconductors, it is of the order, it is of the order 10 raised to minus 5 to 10 raised to 6 ohm meter. And for the insulators, it is of the order 10 raised to 11 to 10 raised to 19 ohm meter. Okay, this is the order of electrical resistivity for conductors, semiconductors and insulators. Okay, so what is electrical conductivity? Electrical conductivity, right. Electrical conductivity, it is nothing but the reciprocal of resistivity, that is called as electrical conductivity, the reciprocal of electrical resistivity. It is denoted by the symbol sigma, that is the reciprocal of electrical resistivity. Okay. Next we are going to study the derivation of relation, that is J bar is equal to sigma into E bar. This derivation is there for your syllabus. Okay. So SI unit of electrical resistivity is ohm meter. It is of the order 10 raised to minus 8 to 10 raised to minus 10 raised to minus 2 to 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter for the conductors. Semiconductors get 10 raised to minus 5 to 10 raised to 6 ohm meter. And for insulators, it is of the order 10 raised to 11 to 10 raised to 19 ohm meter. So these 3 points again you are going to study in your the semiconductor chapter. Okay. Electrical conductivity means nothing but the reciprocal of resistivity. It is denoted by the letter symbol sigma. Sigma is nothing but the reciprocal of resistivity, 1 divided by R. Okay.